any plans today except to just clean my apartment. I literally need to deep clean everything. My room, the kitchen, my bathroom. I have to do the dishes and the laundry. I've been on a couple trips this summer and things have just been piling up. So now, before the school year starts, I want to get everything clean and nice so I don't have to worry about it. I really underestimated how fast your apartment gets dirty when you live by yourself. I feel like I clean every day, but when I don't clean everything up, it just piles and piles. So eventually it's like super bad and I'm like, okay, I have to do it like today. It's gonna be really nice to have a clean apartment. I'm excited, so let's get started. Next, I'm gonna do my bed. I'm gonna take off all the sheets and blankets and throw them in the wash machine. I already started washing my other blankets, so we're gonna get some fresh blankets and pillowcases on here, and then I'm gonna make my bed. So I put on new sheets and the rest of the blankets are in the wash machine right now, so I'll finish my bed when they're all done. I'm excited though. Making your bed, I feel like, transforms your room so fast. Right now you're looking at my kitchen table and it's such a mess, so I'm gonna start putting everything away on here too. I'm first just gonna clear this off. Guys, it's still a mess, but it's actually looking a lot better in here. I've gotten a lot of stuff picked up so far. I'm finally able to see my table, a little bit of the floor. Like, we're definitely making progress. So I bought all these glass containers from IKEA, and I've been waiting to film a video where I really redo my kitchen and make it super aesthetic looking and nice. So I got all these containers to do that. So right now I'm just gonna put them in a cabinet in my kitchen. And I also just turned 21. That's why I have this bottle of rosé and this bottle of tequila. I'm gonna put all these containers in this cabinet. This is where I keep like my pantry. I'm really excited to use these. I can't wait to fill them up. I was gonna put those 2 bottles away, but I think they kind of look cute here. I kind of like them on my table. I'm gonna wipe down the table and the chairs. All right, this area is done. It looks so much nicer. I just got done watering my plant in the shower and I put it back in its spot. I just love it right here. I feel like this area looks so cute. I picked up most of the clothes around my apartment and put them in my closet. It looks so much better in here. Like there's actually a floor. So I'm pretty happy about that. That made a huge difference. So my blankets all came out of the wash machine, so I put them on my bed. It looks so much better. Every single thing on here is cleaned. The pillowcases, the blankets. I put my fuzzy one at the end because it's been so hot. So look at my room now, guys. I'm so happy with it. Just this whole area is improved so much. That is what that's looking like. The floor is cleaned off too. I'm gonna put away the couple things that are on my floor here and then also the things on my couch. I always just pile stuff up, it's so bad. Alright, I got this entire area of my apartment done. The floor is completely picked up. I got everything off the couch. My apartment looks so much better clean. It's actually crazy how much of a difference it makes. I feel like I can actually do stuff, move around, film in here, and it's super fun. So now that this entire area of my apartment is done, I'm gonna move to the kitchen, which is what I've been dreading the most because it's definitely the worst. I got my entire room done, picked up the floor, made my bed, organized my shelves and everything. I cleaned off the couch, the floor over here, organized my desk, and the kitchen table. I did so good. And next we're gonna go to the kitchen. I'm gonna do the dishes, I'm gonna wipe down the counters and the stove. Cleaning the kitchen is definitely the worst for me. I just hate it. I hate touching dirty dishes and putting them away and all of that, but I love when my kitchen's clean. Like it's the best feeling when you're cooking a meal and you just have like a spotless kitchen. It also makes you not wanna cook though because I don't wanna mess it up again, you know? So here's my kitchen. I tried to clear it off a little bit, but look at this sink. Like, oh my god, it's so bad. I also have to unload the clean dishes, wipe down this nasty counter and the stove. I unloaded all the dishes and then I started on the sink and I loaded the next load and then I washed all the pots and pans. Literally so many. I think this is like every single one I own. I cleaned out the sink, I wiped down the counters. It looks so much better and I am so exhausted. That was literally so much work. I am so glad that's done. Literally my least favorite thing to do. Alright guys, so next it's time for my bathroom. And this is by far the worst thing ever. I don't think it can get any worse than this. It is absolutely piled up to the max. At this point I just throw things on the counter because I don't even think about it. I have bikinis hung up here, towels over here. So this is going to be quite the transformation. I'm excited to organize all this, clean off my counter. All right, so my counter looks so much better. It's cleaned off. I even cleaned out the sink. I put all of my everyday makeup in these 2 baskets, and then I have my skincare stuff, makeup brushes, toothbrush. I have a little fake plant and soap. I even hung up these towels right here. I put away all my skincare stuff on that shelf, and then I have hair stuff here. I love these baskets. I got them from Target. They're so cute. All right, so the last thing I'm gonna do in here is replace the trash bag in that trash. Look at these cute mini trash bags. So my bathroom came out super good. I'm so happy with that. I think it looks so much nicer. All right guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and staying until the end. I'm actually so excited. I don't think my apartment has been this clean. Like, I actually cleaned it so well. It's so perfect. There were also 2 huge boxes right here filled with posters and random like socks and tights I hadn't put away yet. And I finally got that put away, and it's just so nice. Like, I have this whole walkway right here that's just empty. So I'm glad I finally got that done. I'm definitely gonna have an apartment tour coming soon, which I'm so excited for because that's what I've been waiting for. You know, through this whole apartment process, moving in, I've been waiting to finally show you guys the finished product. So I'm very excited for that. I'm definitely a lot more ready to start the school year now because I have all my clothes put away. Everything's ready. Like, it's gonna be a lot easier to go into a new school year with a clean apartment. So thank you guys again for watching. I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day. I will see you guys soon in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe, follow my other social medias. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Mwah.